Your first quick take is that I've opened the boxes and I'm so excited with these colors. You guys, how beautiful is this fabric? So again, this is from Riley Blake, and this is what's going to be going into your kits. So instead of kind of that red-orange tones, we're gonna be going with those blues and the purples. Again, here's a quick little photo so you can see, but I've started cutting into them and I've started prepping your kits. Our second quick take today is all about rotary cutters. So as I'm going through and prepping all these kits for you guys, I had to replace the blade in my rotary cutter. So I stopped by the store today, as you'll see here, and I was blown away by how expensive these blades have become. So my question to you is, where do you guys shop for replacement blades for your rotary cutters? Go ahead and leave a comment down below and let us know. Let's learn from each other. What stores do you recommend? Do you have special coupons? Are there deals out there that you like to shop? Where do you find good deal blades that are quality and are not going to break the bank? Let me know, and I look forward to hearing in your comments below. And our third quick take this week is I am fighting my third cold since January. I'm gonna try to get through this without coughing. So I have to tell you, when I get sick, I feel a cold coming on. These are my go-tos. This is like those immune gummies. And I take some immunity boost. My mother-in-law swears by, I always mispronounce this word, oscillococcinum. I'm curious what you guys do when you get sick, and I have to share this with you. So at a last doctor's appointment, the doctor said it's very common now for people to get sick 6 times a year at 3 weeks per cold. So when you figure the math on that, that's insane that it's normal to spend 18 weeks of every year now sick. So I would love to hear what you guys do when you're getting cold, things you do to boost your immunity, because I am ready to be done with these colds. So there you go, 3 quick takes for the week. Let me know what you guys have been up to, and we will talk to you soon.